Victoria, what does a chicken say? What does a doggy say? What does a cat say?
Look at Auntie. Look at Auntie.
It says what?
Say meow.
What does a pig say?
Say oink
You know. If her ain't sweet, I will.
What other animals she know?
She know that
What does the cow say?
Say moo.
What's your name?
Victoria.
And how old are you? You a smart little girl.
What color is Grandma's plant right there? What color is that? What color?
It's green. She said it.
It's green. It's green. You know it's green.
You a sweet little thing,
Yeah,
you.
her is.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Look at Auntie. Look at Auntie.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Say, okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
Say, I love you, Auntie Bernie.
I like you, Auntie Bernie.
Yeah, all right.